Let us start our drawing. Now I will draw 2 BHK drawing. 2 BHK and the length is 30 feet and the width is 27 feet. Now before drawing the rectangle or plan, we should set the limits and units. Units is nothing but the mm, inches, and what is the capacity of the dimension, and limits is nothing but size of the page. And now I will set units, and enter for units, and I set engineering, and precision is sufficient for 2 digits, and you should set in inches as your requirement. Okay, and now I will set limits. LIMITS, and now limits, and 0, 0, left corner, lower left corner 0, 0, enter, and as per our commandment we should set the, and upper right corner should be set by according to the our requirement. Means if we let us see example. If we see here, we have 30 inches as 30 feet as length and 27 feet as width. By similar to both, we can say 30. Okay, 30 is sufficient, but if we set more than that, it will be benefit to us to move cursor to trim, and in that way we can, it will be helpful. So I will set as 40. Okay, I will say 40 and 40 inches. Okay, enter. Now I will draw a rectangle. So REC, enter, and the rectangle dimensions are, length is D, enter, and the dimensions are and the dimensions is 31 feet length and 27 feet width. According to that, according to the dimension, we got the rectangle. Now we should set the wall thickness. The wall thickness is 9 inches. So now let us see the wall thickness. So offset, no need to draw, and offsets. By that we got offset. Okay, now we can go with drawing and see what we completed the outer thickness of the wall. If we see, there are many walls. See here, we have veranda and living room or hall and kitchen. We have the wall, and in that way we have many walls. By using commands like L enter or AC enter or XL enter. XL is nothing but line, but do not have any endpoints. That is called as XL. Okay. By these commands, we should complete the wall thicknesses, and by that we will have the drawing in this way. And now I will show you how to set the doors and windows. See, we completed the walls everywhere. Here we don't see any wall doors in curved shape or any straight or rectangular, etc. any, but we can draw in anywhere. I will draw in rectangular way, sorry, in triangle way. So L enter, and now we should set the points and length of the door size. My door size is, and now I will set the point, and we have the door symbol. No need to set in this way also. We have many ways, and we can set in arc way also, in this way, arc in this way, like this. And now let us draw another door, and in that way we can draw many. We have many things like doors, windows, and ventilators. Ventilators, where we find ventilators? In kitchen, sorry, in bathroom. Here, and this is bathroom, and he will have here ventilator, and here only ventilator. So let us draw the doors, windows, and ventilators. And after completion of that, and this is the drawing. And now completed the doors, windows, and etc. Ventilators, and this is ventilator, and I know ventilators have the 2 lines, and windows have 1 line. And now everything is completed, and doors, windows, wall thickness, etc. And now I should mention the dimensions. So now I will mention the dimensions. So we can mention the dimensions by going to the text here, and now set the base, and it is hall or living room, HALL, hall, and the dimensions are, let us see the dimensions. Thirteen feet 6 inches. 13 feet 6 inches. Enter. 13 feet and 6 inches. And 11 inches. 11 feet. And okay, this is very small. It is not visible to us, so we should increase the size. So, to increase the size, we should go to the, and now go to the text. We should go to here, text settings, and now we should increase the size. And my size, sorry, it is very large. Okay, I will set it as okay, this will be sufficient. Okay, and we got the dimensions. In that way we should set all the dimensions. And now means hall, this is hall, and this is hall dimensions, means 13 feet 6 inches is where to where, from here to, I will show you. So L enter, we'll draw a line. Okay, and now fade. Okay, and from here to here, and this way we will have the 13 feet 6 inches, and it is inner to inner wall, and in that same way, and the width wise 11 feet. And now after completion of dimension, now we should set all the dimensions. See, I set here door, symbol for door is D, and V for ventilator, and W for window. and it is nothing but the dimension. We set the dimensioning in the lettering. I see here I bedroom and the bedroom, and it is, and this is entrance, and this is entrance, and it is veranda, and it is hall, and this is toilet, and this is bedroom, and this is steps. Okay, and simply to say this, it is a duplex. Okay, now, and means how I said is that the steps is inside, so I said that it is duplex. Okay, now let us see. And completion of, finally we completed all the same as our requirements. See, we completed here 30 feet and 27 feet, same as we need. See, 30 feet, 27 feet, and see, veranda, living room, bathroom, everything we completed. So this is the way to draw the 2 BHK or any building plan. And keys is compulsory, like REC, trim, TR, double enter. Trim is the must and should, means to take the lines, means if you draw the rectangle by using Excel command, we should use trim, and it is main. And okay, next L enter, okay, line, and Excel line, and dimensioning is also very important. We should set the dimension, and after cross check we should do the many cross checks also. Okay, and we completed our drawing as per our requirements, 30, and okay.